Hello guys, this is Krishna, and in today's video we'll take a look at a Python topic which is for loop. So what is a for loop or how can we use it, and we'll also take a look at the functionalities of for loop. So when we need our code to repeat itself for a certain number of times, we use loops. So there are two kinds of loop, while loop and for loop, and today we'll take a look at a for loop. So it is kind of very similar, very simple, and I'll just start with an simple example. Like I'm defining s is equal to 0, and syntax of for loop goes like this. We have to write for, and now we have to define any variable, let's say I, and then in range, and now we have to define the range for our I, from where to where the I should go, like from 1 to 7, for from 0 to 8, like it goes like this. So let me do is like 0 to 5. Okay, we have to separate them by commas, and then here comes the semicolon. Actually this is not made, let me comment it out. So here what we will do is, like, let's say we print the value of I, print I. So look over here, how does it work? It is going from 0 to 4, and we have defined 5 over here. So what it does is, like, it skips this element. Like if we do 0 to 7, so it will go up to 0 to 6, up to 6. It goes like this. So we have to increment one number and then put it over here. We can also add a third element in this for loop. What this third element does is, it shows us the jump space for, like, here you can see I is incrementing by 1 in every time the for loop goes. I is incremented by 1. So what if we increment it by 2? Just we have to write here 2, and look over here, 0, 2 and 4. So it is very simple. So look over here, the data type over here should be integer only. It can't be any other data type. It can't be double or float. It won't be like this. You have to define only integer in this range. So let's take a simple example. Let me just uncomment it, and instead of printing it, let's say s increments by I. Okay, and we are exiting the for loop, and let's print the value of s. So just let me modify it 0.1. Okay, so you have 5 seconds to pause the video. Just check your time. Answer your option in the comment section. You have 5 seconds to pause the video. Okay, let's try to run it. Look over here, it is giving us an error. Why? Because earlier, if you remember, I told you that these should be only integers, and here, look over here, 0.1, it is float. So our code will throw an error. This is simple rule of Python. So what we can do is, we can just remove it, and look, our code works just fine. I hope it is clear to you, and if you still have any doubt, just ask us in the comment section. We'll try to answer your doubts. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.